Let's discuss why will you prefer, or why do we prefer for you to have NComputing devices in your office space compared to you having computers. You know, scaling traditional computer infrastructure becomes expensive very quickly. With NComputing, one server can support an entire office floor, while thin clients consume far less power and require less maintenance. Businesses typically save between 50 to 65% on hardware costs alone, while also reducing power consumption and IT support overhead. It is the smartest way to scale operations without scaling your IT budget. With 15 years of service, with no maintenance and low power consumption, definitely NComputing is the way to go. So if you're an office out there and you're still looking at buying computers, niko hapa kuwachanua. NComputing is the best solution for your office space, and we have them in stock. So I want you to call us on 0786 5038 and upgrade to NComputing.